Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to delete Gemini photo from the Gemini history. So if you are also looking to delete the Gemini AI history, so I will show you how to do that. For that, you just need to open a Gemini app. After that, click on your profile icon over here. Then click on Gemini activity. And after that, go below, and here you can see whatever the photos you have uploaded till now. You simply need to click on cross icon over here, and this will delete the images. And if so, you can also delete on the cross icon beside yesterday, or you can simply go to the delete icon over here, then click on all time, and after that click on delete option in the below. And after this, whatever photos that are uploaded in Gemini app will be deleted forever. So by this way, you can easily delete the Gemini AI history on your devices. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.